Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Janamai Swift Tech. Today we are talking about work from home online jobs you can do from the comfort of your own home. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or full-time remote job, I will share some easy options and tips to get started. Let's jump right in. First of all, we have freelance writing. If you enjoy writing, there are plenty of opportunity online. You can write blog post, article, product description, or even social media content. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are a great place to find writing gigs. You don't need to be a professional writer, just start small and build your skill over time. Number 2, we have virtual assistant. So let's talk about being a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you will help businesses or entrepreneurs with tasks like managing email, scheduling appointments, handling social media, and more. This job is great for organized people who enjoy multitasking. Websites like BLA, Time etc., or even general job board like Indeed offer virtual assistant opportunities. So you can try there. Number 3, online tutoring. So if you are good at teaching, online tutoring could be the perfect job for you. You can teach subjects like math, science, or even language that you have. You have to find out your expertise first, and then you can apply your skill. So many companies like BibKit and Tutor.com hire tutors to help students worldwide. So you can teach like people over the world. So the best part, you can set your own hour and work from anywhere with an internet connection. So you can work from home and you have the great opportunity to expand it, or you expand your experience or expand your teaching skill over the world. So number 4, we have a customer support representative. So another popular work from home job is being a customer support representative. Many companies need people to answer call, respond to email, or chat with customer online. So you have the great opportunity to work as a customer support representative. You don't need a lot of experience for this, and companies often provide training as well, so you don't need to be like get panic about oh, I can't do that job. So check outside like Amazon, Apple, or remote.co for this kind of job. So that will really helpful to build your career as a like online worker, or you can work from home. Number 5, selling product online. So this is one of the like great opportunity, or like a trending topic nowadays, that people can sell product online, or you can see around, or you will find your friend doing something related to that services. So lastly, you can try selling product online. You can create your own online store through platform like Etsy if you make a carved or handmade item, or use eBay, Shopify, or Amazon to sell almost anything. You can sell new or used item, digital product, or even start drop shipping. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.